Ki noelam bahakmat jong ki arteli ki seng sain perthei na penthor umkra bakan thup uba predecessor rumnong ubade ukartong barim jong ka NCP bad uba pilang do ubade noelam ka BJP ha kasngi thoding ka arphunyo tere kala lengkot arajar arpholai harengkat kinong bud kila peneso no elade ka parti kongres banai ka jingkarshan yu uba PNCM ubade ukartong ubane khone ki election MLA arjar arpholai na penthor umkra constituency yakine kinoelam ber kinong bud la pedang sngbha ka parti ha ka jinga lang ha kongres bawan ha ka jinga dan lang kinoelam bahakmat jong kaseng kongres bakan thup uba Erwin Sutengah bat kiwe.
To all of you, we are very glad today evening that we have Freddy Rumnong, the former candidates of NCP for Padamkra, who have joined with the Congress party with the very intention to support during these elections. We also have Freddy Lindo, the ex-General Secretary of BJP Mandal in Padamkra, who have joined with our Congress party with the very intention to support me during this election 2023. We have our sisters who have been with NSP during the time before. We have our brother Himan also, and so many former members of NCP and BJP that have joined with the Congress party from Padamkra to support me, the Congress candidate, during this election 2023. I highly appreciate Freddy Rumnong, others candidate, others politicians. They are in hurry to decide and contest election in Padamkra. I think with the very single agenda, not to win the election but to lose in the election, for the benefit of any other candidates. But we are very happy to see Freddy Rumnong join with the Congress party with the very intention to see me win during this election. So I hope that the joining of former BJP members, former NCP member from Padamkra will be a great impact for the Congress party in Padamkra to win during these elections. We have many issues to be addressed. Padamkra has been 25 years under by as the MLAs. I will not say anything. I think people of Padamkra will know better regarding the lack of development in Padamkra. No playground, no single college, no footpath, no water supply. Very, very difficult for our people. That's why people during this time they are in one mind to come and support Congress. That's why Freddy and others supporters, others members from the NCP and other members from the BJP, they are joining with the Congress. I think around 50, more than 50 right now.